One of the wonderful things about Windows 7 is the many keyboard shortcuts that are available to you. Today I want to show you a few that involve using the Window logo key, which you see here on your screen. The first shortcut I'd like to show you is if you simply push the Window key itself. This will bring up the Start menu where you can search, access your libraries, open recently opened applications, or go to all programs. To exit, you simply press the Window button again. The next shortcut I'd like to show you is if you press the Window button and F. This brings up the search window where you can type in anything that you'd like, and it will bring up every folder or file that contains the name that you typed in. If I'd like to access it, all I have to do is double click on the document and it would open. The next shortcut is if I press the Window button and P. This allows me to duplicate my screen onto a projector. I can extend my screen so that I could work on two monitors at once, or I could do projector only. This is similar to what Presentation Director did in Windows XP. The next shortcut I would like to show you is if you press Window and the Tab key. This brings up a scrolling list of every application that I have open. As I continue to hold the Window key down and I press Tab, it will scroll through every application or file that I have open. So if I would like to open a particular file, I would simply let go of the Window key and it would show. The next shortcut is if I press Window and the T key, it gives me small previews of everything I have open at the bottom of my screen. And it goes by application. So first, if you'll see, I see all the Word documents I have open. Next would be First Class. Next is Firefox, Sticky Notes, Folders. You get the idea. Again, that was Windows T. Finally, one of my favorite things about Windows 7 is that it allows you to show your desktop. So for instance, if I have lots of things open, which I typically do, it's very difficult for me to see my desktop. So if I press the Window key and the space bar, it allows me to preview my desktop so I could see if something was there that I needed. Once I let go of the Window key, it goes back. Another option I have that isn't to preview but is to actually show your desktop and work on your desktop is if you go to the bottom right-hand corner of your screen next to where you see your clock, there's a rectangle, and if I put my cursor over it, it previews the desktop. If I press it, it actually shows the desktop and allows me to work, so I could open anything from my desktop that I needed. Once I'm ready to see the applications again, I would simply press that rectangle again, and here are all of my applications open. There are many, many more shortcuts that Windows 7 provides for you, but I hope that these will be some of the most useful. For a complete list, please go to the website you see here, which is just on the Windows homepage. And if you go down to Windows logo keyboard shortcuts, you see a complete list. Have fun!